This is the follow-up of this video, which was about custom login registration inside the Bricks Builder. And in this video tutorial, we are going to fix up one thing, and that is my friend verification of email address during registration process. So currently what is happening, a user is trying to register his account on our website with his credentials. Whenever he is submitting the data, then he is able to log in into our dashboard where he has the access to the posts, comments, and he can see the profile, each and everything. So the case is everyone can come on our website and register and then instantly log in into the database, even by putting the wrong email addresses, which doesn't even exist because we are not verifying the email address what they are putting. What is the solution? So there is a setting inside the Bricks Builder that you can enable, which we did not enable in the previous video, but this one is for you, so watch till the end so you can get the better idea. This time customer is adding his data inside our custom created registration page, but after doing the registration he will receive the email address. Please check your inbox to verify your email address. Okay, and before even clicking on the link which he's received inside his email, if he tries to log in, then this is what he received: error, your account is inactive. If he go to the email address box and click on the link, for example, here you can see that he received the email. Please click the link below to activate your account. Whenever he will try to click this link, there are two pages. That one is verification successful page, this one, and your account has been verified if he has correctly clicked on the link and the token is valid. But what happens if the token is invalid, or if he tries to manipulate the token? Then this is the message he will receive. So his account will remain inactive, and after the successful verification he will be able to log in back to his dashboard. That's it. So this is a simple process that we are going to follow. I'm going to show you what pages that I created in this way and which settings I did, so you can get the better idea. To enable the email verification system using the Bricks Builder, you can go to the Bricks and then settings, just scroll down, and from here you have the option user activation. If you read this carefully, then send an email to every newly registered user with an activation link that must be clicked to activate their account. There is an activation status column under the users where you can manually set the status to activate, inactivate, and resend the activation email. So this is the user table, and here you can see this is the administrator role, and here I have option mark as inactive, active. Let me just create and enable those settings. Just scroll down, and then here by default you will see that it is inactive and you need to enable this feature. Once enabled, you have the option to auto login after activations. Once he click on the activation link, then he will be able to auto login inside the dashboard. So here we need to create two more pages. One is verification successful page and one is the verification failure page. So just like that we did for login, registration, forget password, and reset password, we just created the two more pages, which is verification successful and verification failed. So just go to the pages, and here you can see that I have added two more pages. One is verification failed and other is verification successful. So these are similar pages. So if I go here inside this, you can see that it is capturing our template, which means it is using the template that we created. If you go inside our template, so just go to the template settings, Bricks, templates. If I go here inside the templates, just go inside the edit with Bricks. Here go to the manage and template settings, conditions. Previously we set this to login page, forget page, reset page, and register page. But this time I have also set it for those pages that I just showed you: verification successful page, verification failed page. That's why the same layout is being displayed on those pages as well. So let's take a look at how it is working. So I'm going to register a user and I'm calling it John @example.com. Okay, and then we have this password. Okay, so password is here, and just click on registration. So you can see that it is displaying this message that please check your email, please check your inbox to verify your email address. Okay, now if I try to log in this user without verification, without email verification, so you will see that it is displaying us our error, your account is inactive. Now if I go to the email that I received, this is the email that received, please click the link below to activate your account. So I'm just clicking on it, and you will see that we are able to verification successful. Your account has been verified. Now there should be a link to a login page here, but I did not include it. You can include it. This is for the demonstration purpose only. Now if I go here inside my login and try to log in, then you can see that I am in, because previously the email was not verified, so I was not able to log in. One more thing I wanted to show you, inside the dashboard, the main dashboard, just go to the user section, and from here you can see that the user has been registered. You can send him password reset, or you can see the status that it has been active. If I can also mark as inactive, so he will not be able to continue into in his account, so he will not be able to log in again. And I can even send it to resend activation email. So if I do this, so right now you can see this is the login notification that we did in the previous video, the system that we created. And if I try to resend email, this is the email that he will receive again. So this is the system that you should also include inside your website during the registration purpose. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.